Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Outlier AI. Alright, let's begin with video. Now, with all the buzz around AI, you might be wondering, is Outlier the real deal or is it just a scam? Let's find out. Outlier AI is basically an automated data analysis assistant. Imagine having a super smart tool that scans your data, looking for hidden patterns and unexpected changes. That's what Outlier does. They use algorithms to find these trends, helping businesses make better decisions based on their data. But is it actually legit? To answer that, we got to look at different things. What people are saying, potential red flags, and the overall experience. People online have mixed reviews. Some folks on Reddit mention that they are not getting paid, and the ticket deadlines just keep on extending. This means that they have worked for hours and are not getting their payment. There is also a connection between Outlier and another platform called Remote Tasks, which is a bit confusing. There are also positive reviews on Reddit mentioning cost savings and improved services. Here's where things get interesting. Some users reported account suspensions or difficulties signing up. And guess what? There's this 5-hour English test you have to take. It's like a training and test rolled into one, with things like proofreading and editing essays. The unclear connection between Outlier and Remote Tasks is also a major concern. Some users even felt redirected and confused during the process. So, is it a scam? No. Outlier AI seems like a genuine platform that wants to help businesses with data-driven decisions. However, there are challenges to consider: the complex onboarding process and the unclear link to Remote Tasks. Ultimately, the decision is yours. If you're willing to navigate these challenges, Outlier could be a valuable tool. But remember, no platform is perfect, and everyone's experience might be different. So that's basically all about Outlier AI. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.